Yeah, good afternoon. It's afternoon here. This is another edition of How To. But what we are going to do today is we are going to set the oil light of this Honda. This is Honda Accord 2012. So any Honda Accord from 2012 to 2015. Almost Hondas precisely. So they have the same thing to reset the oil life. So see this panel, this yellow light here, it tells you that the car needs to service, and this light is going to be at 100% if the light is okay. So I want to do it now, so watch me doing it. First, you need to off the car, let it be at ignition. See, I've off it. Now I want to do one, then you press the second time, you let the ignition to be on. You see now it's on. You come to trip A, you clear it. To trip B, you clear it. So I've already cleared it. So then now you hold this oil light, you hold this thing down. See my hand here, hold it down. See, so the oil light will be blinking now. So I've hold it. See now it's blinking. You leave it, then you now hold it again. See, I leave it there, now I hold it again. It's still blinking now. What you do is that you see it's 100 now. That's all. Please subscribe for my channel. Please. Thank you.